Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you homemade potting soil for healthy plants. Let's get started. Are you an avid gardener looking to give your plants the best possible growing environment? Making your own potting soil can be a rewarding and cost-efficient solution. In this video, we shall guide you through the process of creating homemade potting soil that is nutrient-rich, well-draining, and tailored to suit your plant needs. Step number 1. Gather the ingredients. To make homemade potting soil, you shall need a few key ingredients. Start with base of high-quality organic compost, which provides essential nutrients. Add equal part of peat moss or coconut coir to enhance water retention, and perlite or vermiculite to improve drainage and aeration. Finally, include a slow release organic fertilizer to nourish your plant over time. Step number 2. Mixing the components. In a large container or wheelbarrow, combine the compost, peat moss or coconut coir, and perlite or vermiculite. Use a guiding fork or shovel to thoroughly mix the ingredients together. Aim for an even distribution, ensuring that the soil is well blended. Step number 3. Adjusting the texture. Depending on your plant's requirements, you may need to modify the texture of your potting soil. For plants that prefer well-draining soil, add more perlite or vermiculite. If water retention is crucial, increase the amount of peat, moss or coconut coir. Creating your own homemade potting soil allows you to customize the composition to suit your plant needs, promoting healthier growth and successful gardening endeavors. Get your hands dirty and watch your plant thrive. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and also subscribe my video channel.